pressure. Okay, so low oil pressure. I think I did a video on this once before. It's not rocket science. We've got a little pressure switch right here on the side. And basically it builds up pressure and it closes that little switch. If it's got oil, it should be able to build up pressure. And then it'll give it to you. So let's go grab my gauge and see if we can check the oil pressure. And if it's good, well, it's a junk switch. Now this doesn't get much more generic than this. I've got a little tape housing here with my hose, with my fittings. And that's going to screw right onto a oil pressure gauge, something you'd see on a lawnmower or something. It's made in China. So let's go over here and see if this thing works. So you probably get a fancy one with a little thing on the back of it. You just kind of plug into it or something. But you know, this usually works pretty good. It's generic. Basically go to your AutoZone store. If you're a homeowner doing it yourself, I think I would just go ahead and change the switch, but I like to test and verify before I just replace something. We can go ahead and pull those wires off. That thread looks pretty good size, but it should fit. It's a lot more material here than what I need. I chopped that off a long time ago. And yeah. So let's get on there. Got these awesome pliers that everybody hates because they don't own them. And here's the baby ones. And the baby ones work even better yet because see, they're nice and small. See, I've got generic wrenches here. These have a tendency to round things. But see, I prefer these. If you don't like it, I don't give a shit. These actually give you down pressure. And I can grab a hold of things and all that. Now it might leak a little bit, and it may not. Theoretically, the oil should be at the bottom of the engine. But obviously it's not. Kind of a crappy design. They should have made it so everything drains down to the engine, but unfortunately they didn't. So we'll try to just stick that up in there. See, if they was smart, they would have put this on a spot so that it would drain straight down, but instead what they did is they just did whatever was convenient on their milling process, and then it pockets oil there. I think Chevy 4.3 liter had something stupid like that. And see, then you're about ready to break this stupid thing here. I need to maybe get a new hose for this thing. Like I said, I don't do these stupid things anymore. Hardly ever. I don't enjoy it anymore. It was fun when I was bored because all I was doing was residential and light commercial, and I needed something to do that was funner than what I was doing because it gets boring after a while, the same old things. So that's why I got into the generator stuff. Problem is, if you're not going to go all in and you're going to, you know, go full bore on it, it's not worth doing if you're not going to do it right. Okay, so we are going to the opposition, hit enter to acknowledge manual. Oil pressure, plenty, no problem whatsoever. That should not drop out. So the problem is the gauge, or the switch. The switch is your problem. There's your problem.